How are you doing? So today we're going to talk about why my patio cover might be leaking. Whether it be a solid non-insulated or an insulated patio cover. These are some of the situations of what causes a patio cover to leak. So today I'm on my insulated patio cover, and I'll kind of show you some of the key elements, what might cause your patio cover to have a bit of a drip in different sections of the patio cover. I'll show you where it's attached to the house and then also where the gutter is. So as you notice, or you can see, I live in a place with high foliage or trees. Also, a lot of dust off the roof line can build up where it can find its way inside the gutter. So let's take a look right now at my gutter system and kind of see what's going on up here, okay? So as you can see, I have a bunch of dirt that's built up within the cover itself. And then you'll start to notice you'll have leaves. So I'm kind of getting up on my patio cover because I've had a couple leaks, and right off the bat I got leaves that's blocking that hole to let water come out of it. So this kind of comes with maintaining your patio cover. Also, some people might ask on our insulated patio covers, could I get a potential leak in the middle of the patio cover? And every insulated cover has the panels snap together. So from the top side, you'll see that there's a joint, and we run a bead of caulking through that joint to waterproof it. But even me being up here right now runs the potential of kind of disrupting that sealant, so I might have to reseal it at some point. And it's California, the earth is always moving and shaking, and the house is moving and expanding. So at those points, it's always a good indication to kind of look up on top of your patio cover, as this is going to be standard maintenance for my home, throughout the years. Another feature is alongside the house on the solid patio covers, you will have a flashing, okay? And see, these little workaround, these corner areas always run a risk of water potentially getting behind there, because they're different angles and no house is perfectly square. And as you can see where this wood and the stucco meets, there's a crack behind it where water, it's always going to potentially find a way. So this comes with constant, just maintenance throughout the years. It's a shade structure. Let's kind of take another look at another place of the patio cover where right here, there's a stucco crack, okay? That crack go potentially behind it, and we refer to that in the industry as wet wall. It's not your cover that's leaking, it's water has found a way to kind of saturate, and that will dry out in time. It's never a big concern of mine, when I'm underneath the patio cover, because, I've built these for a long time, and I just understand that kind of comes with the territory, unless I want to take those extra preventative steps of maybe hiring somebody to, go out and do a stucco patch. For me, it's just not that serious. For others, you might freak out a little bit, but it's very common to have a wet wall. So just being on top of the patio cover, I'm going to have to maintenance a little bit. I know it's pretty standard practice, so we just kind of wanted to show an overview of maintaining your solid patio cover. Thank you for your time.